episode ikurikiyeho
getting a divorce then?
niyo mpamvu mugiye gukora divorce rero.
You're leaving us and moving out?
Ubu zadusiga ugende mutagira ubuzima bundi.
Going anywhere.
Papa nta hantu azaza.
Leave if she wants.
Mama ni uri bugende nimba bishaka. Birahagije mwabyara.
Your mother and my daughter.
Uyu ni nyoko uri kuvugana.
Are you picking out of whose house?
Ninde uri gusohora kandi mu nzu yande? Asoni we wakikaritaza. Cha Alex hano.
Behave yourself.
Mwitwararike mwabyana mwe. Okay.
Let's do this, Grandpa.
Reka nkwereke uburyo tubikoramo
Go ahead and leave Mom with you in the house.
Reka nje na mushiki wanjye na papa tugende noneho tugusigire mama muri.
Problem. After all, this is your house.
Cyane kwa mugani nyuma ya byose iyi nzari yawe. Wa mwana werekera. Steven, afite ukuntu yigira inzira karengane.
Your father is right.
Sogokuru avuga ukuri.
I'm the one who should leave.
Hello guys, I hope you're okay. So guys rero sorry ho gakeya reka tubanze twamamaje mbanze mbabwira aka kantu ariko video yanyu nyine iraje komeze. Vuga ngo guys hari ukuntu nyine rero tuno dufilme ntutwishimire ariko bikangombwa kukeneye full nyine episode cyase full season. Icyo gusaba no gufata iyo nomero iri muri screen igihugu cyose abuhereremo cyose tuguha filime ku buryo bwiza sikakugeraho. Utwandikira WhatsApp.
Bihangayika habonetse muganga gakondo utanga ubuvuzi bw'umwimerere kandi bushingiye ku bimera. Waba warabaswe n'ibibazo byo kwikinisha bigatuma amabanga y'abashakanye atabasha kugenda neza, tambuka tugukiza umuze nawe ubashe kunoza amabanga y'abashakanye.
Ubu mubona nahoranye ikibazo cyo kutabyara, najya ntekereza ko narozwe, nyuma naje guhura n'umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko yo muri Tanzania, aramfasha ndakira, ubu nanjye ndi umubyeyi nk'abandi.
Kubivuza indwara nk'umwijima, impyiko, rubagemande, amibe, igifu, kubyimba, prostate, umutwe, imitsi ndetse n'izindi, namwe nimutambuke kuko mwashyizwe igorora. Akarusho kandi kubivuza indwara nk'amarozi abatugezeho baritangirwa.
Ubu mubona nigeze guhura n'ikibazo cyo kuroga, narozwe ibitegano ndetse n'ibihuherano. Naje kubona umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko muri Tanzania, aramfasha, ubu narakize neza, ubu nta kibazo mfite.
Kuba ari mahanga namwe mwihangayika mwibaza uko imiti yacu iraza kubageraho kuko dukora na DHL kabagezaho imiti yacu kandi mu gihe gito.
Muri inzu nkagenda ijya akabaye mva hano nkagenda iki Steven way.
Let's sit first.
This
issue will be discussed and
you
will leave your parents alone and you will not interfere in this matter.
I'm so tired of always pretending. Now that they know, let me go. It's over.
Hakuno
Let's go, Carla.
Steven, Saul.
Kids, nothing to do with you. You are still siblings. He's your brother. And you all belong here. What doesn't belong is me.
Papa.
Alex.
Alex.
It's over. I love you too.
Kandi murabizi ko mbakunda mwabana. Murabizi ko mbakunda cyane nanjye kabisa. Mundeke jembe ibindi tuzaba tuvugana ikindi gihe. Bye bye. Steven. Jije gutya bataha kuno show. Sinzi Steven, sinzi.
Nothing about it at all. Don't apologize.
Kakarira kasige kitotomba Steven avayo. Afuye n'umugore ko yabyaye umwana utaruwe.
Bring my father back. Why are you still looking at right now?
Kandi gasigara kabwanuka muzu ni kakalira kitotomba gatonga na kibaraguza.
You'll apologize. You'll grovel at my father's feet. You'll beg it.
Carla,
enough, stop it.
What are you staring at? Are you going to let him
divorce?
Is that it?
divorce nk'uko yabigusabye n'ibyo ngibyo cyangwa hakuno
Maybe she wanted all this.
cyane natwe wabona atanadushaka ntawamenya.
To start over with Ali and his dad.
agenda atangira ubuzima bundi bushya ari kumwe na Ali na papa wiwe ubwo ni George.
Isn't that true though, Mom?
uko siko kuri se mama wanje uko siko kuri.
You stole our lives. All for your son.
watwibye ubwana bwacu kubera umuhungu wawe. nyambuye buri kimwe mama.
And now you've stolen our father from us.
watwambuye ubwana bwacu none utwambuye na papa wacu. sinzigera nkubabarira mama pe, sinzigera nkubabarira kandi ibyo byumva ubyiteho. ikakalila
benim zülfü siyahım, bu da gelir bu da geçer.
show Meli
Göklere erişti feryadım.
mama nawe ntabwo yishimye kubera ko ibyo yabyayemo Yamani namwe murabuzi. yabyaye Yamani akundana na se birangira sekuru wa Yamani akubise se wa Yamani amushyira muri ko uyu nguyu aramubura birangira rowe n'undi mugabo aribwo baje kubyara Alex na Kalila. ubwo yarabyibuka byose nta kintu cyo gukora hafite. rebe uyu nawe mwibuke avuye mu rugo yasanze hari atari kwa se nubwo ari kwa nyina no kwa sekuru ariko si kwa se. ese ni George muganga. Yamani yabimenye tangiye kwibona kiri kera kiri gato y'ubwo yavuga hariya byatangiye atorongeramo n'iki byose. Buke no yari yashimutiwe kwa Aliya ubundi inzira ni imwe hakuno. Yamani karamwegura ariko se wabikora iki n'ubundi nyine ko byose ari kimwe kama mbaya mbaya. suhuje abafiye peri mwese. hey. mwari mwarira se yakuno fiye peri mwese nka George ndabaramukije. sase na yakuno iri herena niryo bamutereye hinda iri yararitaye kwa George do. George ni umunyamahoro w'ibintu byose aba yabyizeje n'umutima mwiza neza agarama afite do. hakuno telefone yarasonye.
Natalie?
yego Natalie. George.
Ali knows. He knows now.
Yamani yabimenye. Kuki?
Alex told him.
Alex yabimubwiye.
Stop him.
byose yabimubwiye.
He left.
arangije ahita asohoka aragenda byiburuza ahantu ari. umwana wanjye mwabakiza mwe ngo nuko muri abakire mutangiye kumukiniraho n'ubu mwana hakuno do. aho bagiye ataye umutwe yasaze n'undi bibazo byose wa mugani wa Kayizari byatangiye ari uko Yamanika abonye umuryango waramubyaye akamuta mu muhanda agasubiye mu rugo. nibwo ibibazo byose byatangiye. kera bakiri abakene bari bifitiye amahoro barya impumbi ikabahaza. hakuno uyu nguyu aribuka kera n'ubundi atoroka imihanda ajya kuba marine ajya gukurira imihanda nuko yagiye.
Bu da gelir, bu da geçer, ağlama. Ne de olsa kışın sonu bahardır. Bu da gelir, bu da geçer, ağlama. Bu da gelir, bu da geçer, ağlama. Bu da gelir, bu da geçer, ağlama.
Kwaria nawe hakuno nase Mark Amber yaje hano.
Daughter.
Mukobwa wanjye iki?
I'm very sorry.
Nukuri mbabarire.
I'm sorry about that boy. May he rest in peace.
Kandi mwihangane kubw'uriya mwana wapfuye.
Please give my condolences to your boyfriend, please.
Aruhukire mu mahoro uze kumpera condolence uriya muhungu mukunda.
Good kid.
Cyari umwana mwiza.
What are you doing here?
Ese uri gukora iki hano? Ese dore nyina do.
What are you trying to do now?
Ubundi uri kugerageza gukora iki?
I mean, are we going to speak of my boyfriend like father and daughter?
Tutangiye kuganira kuri boyfriend wanjye se nk'ari umwana na se mukobwa na se bamuganira uriya.
Please help us out for a bit then.
Waje ukamfasha rata.
What are you doing?
Ubundi muri gukora ibiki?
Seriously though, what is this?
Ntababeshye sinzi ngo ibi murimo ni ibiki. Ibi ni ibiki? Mama.
I may not know my father that well, but I know you very well.
Nshobora kuba ntazi papa wanjye neza ariko wenda kuza.
Again.
Mugabanye iyi mikino.
This game you two are playing.
Iyi mikino muri
really can't stand it anymore.
Nta kintu yahindura n'ababeshyi bikumvanga bica mu mutwe gusa mwana wa. None se mwana wa nakwiyamye toka. Umuzavu isheni ni waka amba.
Didn't I told you already.
Narabikubwiye katasigera gukunda.
She understands.
Narabikubwiye kandi arabyumvuye na Yehova yakora. Waninje nani
Then do better so she doesn't find out.
Ikizu usaba Imana ntazabimenya. Sawa. Kocho ni kase nina. Shiraho yumva ka message kaje kuri telefone ya Solina.
I'm at the Zen Hotel. I left an extra room card under the door. Don't be late.
Ni mu cyumba cya hoteli urufunguzo rundi narusize munsi y'urugi kandi ntukenera kuze winjiremo. Ni Steven wandikiye Selina. Mwibuke Steven na Selina nyine namwe murabizi nako twese turabizi. Sasa iyi message yahise ayisiba uburyo Selina atari muzi no kubibona. Tuvuye twigarukira hako ni wabo wande. Muri ya quartier Shauri yako kwa Yamani hamwe yakuriye imihanda n'iki byose ataravumbura ngo famille yo mu bakire. Ese yaje hakuno none umwana yabimenye barabizi. John. Hakuno.
George? Not here, Alice.
Yamani ari hano Alice.
Doctor, what's up?
Cyagenze bite muga?
Did you see him yet? Maybe it's
Yamani.
so he's not around our garbage dump anymore.
Ubwo ntaga kiba muri uyu mwandire ubwo ari muri ya famille yo mu bakire.
No.
Tell
him to call me if he shows up.
What's all this shit again?
Just let it go. We can't keep worrying about Yemen Sherrington like this. Is there anyone protecting us? No.
Men are like raging fires, son. They burn so quickly. But there are some men who are like embers. Burn from the inside.
bashyamo indani muri bari kinyuma ukabona bakomeye. Nta magambo Alex ari kwibuka. Kakarira kavuye hano. Gashikike ni impanga. Kavuye hano do.
Do you think Dad will come back?
Yigeze kubwira karagaruka?
Of course not.
oya nako ntago ari bugaruke.
He'll never forgive Mother.
Nta nubwo azigera ababarira.
Even I can't forgive her.
This is not about forgiving Carla.
We, iki ntago ari ikibazo cyo kubabarira.
It's a matter of win and loses.
Iki ni ikibazo cyo gutsinda no gutsindwa niho bigeze.
That man doesn't matter. Neither does Yaman.
Uriya mugabo nta kintu avuze na Yamani ntacyo avuze.
Carla.
Kalila.
Some men are like embers.
Abagabo bamwe na bamwe bameze nk'igiti cy'isubyo. Bahiramo indani ariko inyuma ukabona bakomeye.
And women don't like being cold.
What's this?
Kandi abagore ntago bakunda gutsindwa nyine. Urumva bigiye kuba nk'ari competition hagati ya papa na mama.
What I'm saying is that and his father will be blown away like ashes.
Nubundi ise wa Yamani na Yamani bazatumuka nk'uko umuyaga uhuha ivura ikajya.
In all this.
Ariko twe tuzasigara biri kutubangamira. Biri kuturya bituvuga.
You know that?
Actually, I'm in complete balance because a great burden has been lifted from me.
Jenda kubeshye meze neza kubera ko umutwaro nari nikoreye wo gukunda Yamani wamvuyeho. Ikindi
don't have to love that wildly now.
Ntago ngifite kumukunda uriya mujinga reka reka.
I was pushing myself to.
Narabyihatirizaga, nkabyihatirizamo, ariko ubu ntago bikiri ngombwa. Wapi?
Who are you calling?
Uri guhamagara?
Father?
Papa.
I have to first remind him something now.
Hari ikintu ngomba kubanza kumwibutsa. Alex. Ngombe muzee ari hakuno.
Enjoy it.
Murjerwe ari muri hoteli. Yarangije no kwandikira Serina yigiriye mu bya Curubaru. Ari mu bya Curubaru bazi ngo. Hakuno. Bebe.
I'm showing Natalie a preview of what happens if I'm not in her life.
Nabizi nazazakumbura. Cyabigenza gute se mbaye ntari mu buzima bwe yabikora hiki yabaho ate? Ko n'abana bamwanga kikamurenga.
Even that surname will be useless without me.
Icyo nzi cyo nari riyazi nafite ry'umuryango mbaye ntahari ntacyo ryamumarira. Habe namba. Steven. Ngube hakuno. Hari uri gushaka Yamani. George Aiden muganga doctor. Gushaka Yamani. Hebe, Shehan.
Did something happen?
Hari ikintu cyabaye?
Is he not here?
Yamani ari.
No, I haven't seen him.
Ntawe nigeze mbona pe. Bamunze.
Sure he doesn't know.
Munze ramujinga ndabazi.
Yaman!
Brother. Yaman we. Muso.
Listen, son, please don't waste my time. Just from you, he's really not here. Okay, but where did this boy go then? Don't hang around here any much more. No, okay? Thank you.
George Aiden George. Hakuno. Yageze gutya.
George.
George we.
Please tell me you found him. Please tell me you found him.
Basi mbwira ko wamubonye umwana wanjye.
No, Natalie.
Natalie.
I came here and asked.
No one knows.
Naje hano ndabaza nta muntu uzahana ari.
He didn't call me. He's so angry.
Basi igeza kuvugisha hapi ntigeze ampamagara. Hapi.
And of course you're angry too.
No.
Ndamuca.
Not angry.
Basi nibiri kukurakazoya.
Either you or I could talk to your man instead of Alex. That's all it is.
Icyiza ni ukuvugana na Yamani kurusha Alex.
Spoiled everything now.
Ndambwira ukuntu ibintu byose tuzabikemura.
Everything will be fine soon.
Ibintu byose biraza kumera neza vuba. wehumura biraza kumera neza vuba.
You're not alone.
Ntabwo uri wenyine muri ibi bintu. Genda hano.
Listen together too, okay?
Tubiri kumwe mo twembi wehumura.
Rhea.
None se?
Did you call Rhea?
Wigeze wamagara Riyango umubaze niba atazi hano Yamani.
I'll call her then.
Ntabwo nigeze muhamagara, reka muhamagare numva. Cyo kubaza Riya.
Of heels. Right?
Ebe. Kumbe Yamani yaje kwicara hano harana aza kumeditira ku mazi y'ibintu byamucanze kwa musaza ngo ni Samu. Yamani yaje hakuno abitekerezaho yitonze arabanza afata akanya byigaho. Ebe
Yamani Ali Sherrington.
Yamani Ali Sherrington.
Ali Sherrington.
Akibuka ukuntu yabaga ari kumwe na muganga avuga ati bakute Yamani Ali Sherrington.
You saved me. I swear to God, I'm so grateful for you, sir.
Ukuri wakoze muganga cyaje muganga amaze kumuvurira musaza murumuna wiwe.
Just try to hit the streets again, Yaman. Don't even.
Byose yagiye anyura mu byose aragenda arabyibuka akantu ku kandi.
It's not easy being a street kid in winter.
Agane ntukumvura watanje kuri iyi mihanda natwe twayikuriyeho.
I don't speak about anything that I don't know.
Ntago njya vuga ikintu ntazi.
Streets too.
Nancerekana kuri iyi mihanda wa mwana.
I said put them down.
Yibakubwiye ngo mushyire hasi. Yabandi
come.
Gwino. Yibuka ajya kutabara cyagiye kwa se wa Rishari.
What choice did I have?
Ese arandi mahitamo nari mfite ku buryo ntari kugutabara.
Gun is a great move, you know.
Kwejugunya imbere y'imbunda nkuriya wa musaza we. Irimo risk.
My sacrifice is greater than both. What's greater than that?
Je bitambo byanjye twe ntabitangiye abo nk'ubu bundi byaba bimaze iki. Amagambo.
Is your father.
Bombe hano hari uwakomanze Natalia Jean.
Selena